Hello everybody, this is Jittoz Demon and it's early morning and we are on the way to Kacharipara. And there are two more riders with us and one rider has already reached and he is riding the new KTM Adventure 390. And now we are stopped for a while for a small tea break and after that we are resuming our ride. So now we have the newly launched KTM Adventure 390 and in this ride we are also going to take some beautiful shots of this Adventure 390. We have a professional photographer with us and his name is Red Bolt. His Insta ID is Red Bolt and he will be taking today's complete ride photos. And this is the current photo that he have been taken. See how good it is. We have been taking multiple breaks in between, enjoying the nature and the ride. And we are also waiting for the next rider to join with us. So we ate the breakfast when the next rider also came. And now we are resuming our ride to Kattadipara. At first we were unlucky, the road to Kattadipara was closed. So we decided to reroute and find another road that leads to Kattadipara. So we are exploring our other possibilities to reach Kacharipara, and through some off-road itself, we are about to reach Kacharipara. Now we have almost reached the location. So after seeing some beautiful views, we decided to stop in some of the places and take some really good photos. We have almost reached Kacharipara and this is the first spot we spotted in Kacharipara. So I decided to take a risk and get on this rock. So after getting on this rock, I will definitely get a really good photo and that will be really an adventure location. See the way my V3 is tilted topwards, the photo will be really good and I will be showing the results in the end of the video. And about the location Kacharipara, oh my god, this location is really good. The wind, the climate, it's really good. It's just that it's a summer season, that's why the grasses are really dry. But after a single rain, this place will be completely filled with greenery. But the climate is really good right now, the wind is really cold, and it's a really good place to bring your bikes. And there is not much of traffic right here, there is not much of people right here visiting this location. So it's really a peaceful location to visit. And I also test ride at the KTM's newly launched Adventure 390. I test its suspension, its off-road capabilities, and all its results are made in a really detailed video and it's pinned on top. Do check it out. So after enjoying this location and after staying for a while in this location, we decided to take our drone and take some really beautiful drone shots, and the results are really good. I wish that it was much more greener and I would definitely like to visit in the rainy season or just after the rainy season. And that's it. And this is the Kattadipara spot located in Idukki. So we are going back to our home, and when we are on the way back, we spotted some cops. They decided to check our bikes, but they didn't find anything unusual, so they left us. So now we are going back to our home, and these are some of the shots that Red, our professional photographer, took in this ride. I'll be showing you the results and his creativities. See how beautiful these shots are. And that's my friend Red. This is one of his greatest creativity. So now we are ending the Kacharipara video. So if you definitely like this video, do subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification icon if you need to get notified for my new upcoming videos. So that's it. Peace out.